welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday and I wanted to start off the vlog to say hello. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Today is the start of my Bachelorette weekend. Woo! We are here. We're getting closer and closer to the wedding day. And I just want to show y'all, I just got this in the mail from my job. Let me show you guys this box. Like, this is so nice. So it's fall. If this top of this stay here. So it's fall, so we're supposed to be having like a pumpkin pie and a pumpkin carving, but yeah, it's the box for me. It's definitely the box. I don't know what this is, but they gave me a whole pumpkin. Let me take this out of here. Look at this. A whole pumpkin, y'all. A whole pumpkin. Oh, this is probably so that we can put the pie in. Oh my gosh. I didn't know all this stuff was in here. No, it did not sit in the fridge. Some of this stuff didn't sit in the fridge. But yes, this is like everything to make pumpkin pie. Let's go run errands to get ready for my Bachelorette weekend. All right, y'all, finally made it to the mall. Still trying to lay my hair down. This is, by the way, one of my favorite scarves, if you haven't noticed already. Yes, it's the same scarf. Back at the mall, trying to figure out some few items for this Bachelorette. Like putting on white every day when there's not hardly any white available is a struggle. But I'm gonna try this again. See what I can find. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so kind of a fail, kind of success in the mall. Found a couple of items, but I'll just have to figure out, like, putting the outfits together. I will catch in with you guys later. That's it, that's all. I'll show y'all this. It was from my bridal shower. Hand sanitizers. You heard it from him first, ladies and gents. Northern Cafe. Target does it every time. How did we get here? How? 4 items, 5 items.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love in the dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Hey you guys, so I just wanted to check in. It has been an amazing start to the Bachelorette weekend. We have a lot planned for tomorrow, but tonight has been super fun. Right now we're playing some games and just having girl conversation, having some leftover foods that we've ate earlier and some drinks and things like that. Super fun, very relative, very relative and things like that. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. So we have on all of our satin like PJs. It's just a cool vibe. We learned some dance moves. I didn't get any of that, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see all of that. The girls are pretty loud, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just wanted to check in and say that I'm having a blast so far from our bachelorette party. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaMonica. I do lifestyle and beauty videos, so give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And if you want to see what we're doing for the rest of the weekend, then make sure you stay tuned.
Who is Jasmine at your wedding?
Jasmine is
my maid of honor.
Okay, next question.
Why is she looking like that? Oh. Sorry. I can't see.
She cheating.
They toss these things.
They get in the way. They get in the way and they're like,
girl.
That flower girl.
Yes.
You can't say girl.
Her video.
It was girl. Girl wasn't on there. Flower girl. My nominee is yours.
My husband's.
Girl.
What's your girl?
Hey guys, so today's Saturday. Last night sunk in place for me. I don't know about the other girls,
It was
but
great.
I just can't. I can't even deal, and I'm tired. But we're gonna make today fun. I just showed you guys a little bit of the tour of this. What do you call this?
Sprinter.
Little sprinter thing.
Sprinter.
We'll see. But we are headed to a winery, and I will check back
Are we headed to a
in
winery though?
with you guys a little bit later. Listen,
You never know where we're heading.
I already know the plans. They just keep
Do
speaking
you know
of.
the plan though?
I know we're going to a winery.
Are we?
Time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things
Smile, happy.
Thank you.
All right, so our first question tonight is in the category home, movement, film.
I can't erase million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
What is up, you guys? So it has been a hectic but exciting day. I'm trying to get the lighting. Okay, that's better. So we are actually about to go to dinner. I'm gonna keep on what I have on. Everyone's keeping on what they have on. We have our sprinter just taking us around. Is a sprinter. We went to 2 wineries today. The first one I've been to before, not really a fan of, like as far as their food and just the way that service is. But the second one was pretty good. Everyone was having fun. You get like a light up pit fire. Maybe I put a clip before this so you can see how the fire was going on. But girl, so now we're at this beautiful hotel in DC area, and we're about to go to a restaurant, and I'm super excited because I've been like wanting seafood. So every time I get a chance to go out with my girls, I try to get seafood because my husband-to-be is allergic to shellfish. So fun fact, I try to do that when I'm with my girls. I love seafood. It's my favorite fruit. Crabs, blue crabs to be particular. But we're all staying here tonight and then finishing up everything tomorrow But I will check in with you guys once we get to the restaurant, and I'll let you guys know what we're doing tomorrow. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And yeah, so stay tuned to see what the rest of the plans are that my bridesmaids, maid of honor, matron of honor has planned for me as a bride throughout this bachelorette weekend. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I know it's probably all over the place because I'm trying to enjoy it and not pick up my camera. And then also, I don't even know what to like pick up my camera for. Like, we're having so much fun just reminiscing about like back in the day, like music and all of that stuff. So if I'm talking funny, I have my clear retainer in. That's why I'm talking weird. But yeah, so make sure you stay tuned to see the rest of the bachelorette weekend. And I think that's all I have to say right now. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant.
It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things are...
Happy Sunday, you guys. Today is the last day of the bachelorette party of mine. I had an amazing time, and now we're headed to go to brunch. And I just wanted to check in this morning. We're checking out, and show you guys my outfit and share with you guys where we're going to brunch. So let me show you guys my outfit. So I have on this blazer. Got this blazer from Express. That I got stains on already. Look. But this, what do you call this? Like tank is from Express as well. These pants are actually from Marshalls. They're like a faux leather. I could have went a size down, but they're pretty stretchy. These boots are from Macy's. My necklace is from Marshalls, and then I have all my jewelry. And I actually got this headband from Marshalls as well. It's like a Gucci inspired headband. But yeah, so this is my outfit.
Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is.
We're in DC today.
Yeah.
And we're wrapping this up. That's all, folks. Back at your reach.
All right, like we said, we are wrapping this train up because LaMonica is sick of us, people. Okay? All right, now we're going to go over to Jasmine with the photo up. Okay, Jasmine? Back to you, Jazz.
What am I doing? I don't know.
We're live in 3, 2.
Bachelorette weekend successful. So excited, so thankful and grateful for my squad, my tribe. Thank y'all so much for those of you who watch my channel. But I'm going to wrap the vlog up here, you guys. I'm so exhausted, and I'm gonna unpack and just chill. But nevertheless, look at all this from the mask. Nevertheless, it was an awesome weekend to just hang out with loved ones and just be celebrated, you know? So hopefully this video is not too all over the place, But if you enjoyed my Bachelorette weekend, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps your girl out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lately, it's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love in the dreams, baby.